So hopefully most of you have worn a mask at some point, maybe for Halloween, and experienced that it's not very comfortable. Well, Darian here wears a mask for work. He's either a farmer or a chemist or construction worker. There's lots of areas where you might wear a mask at work. So anyways, I have a question for you, Darian. What's it like to work in a respirator mask?
It's really hot here.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. Can you say that one more time?
I said it's really hot in here.
You're gonna have to take the mask off. I just can't understand you.
I said it's really hot in here.
Well, so how many of you guys think it probably would get a little hot and be hard to communicate if you were working in a respirator mask? Well, that's why we want to offer a solution. We want to offer you TrueCool, which is a respirator mask that builds in features that allow you to communicate using technology and to have cooling relief. There's also additional benefits provided like positive pressure, a lightweight battery, anti-fog, NIOSH. Anyways, we decided to take this around and figure out what people thought about this that were actually wearing respirator masks at work. So let's talk about what they said.
So here's what people had to say. Tony from Black Gold Farms, he told us that at the right price point, this mask would definitely sell. So that's why we potentially see farming as a potential market for us. Terry from Southeastern Welding said he'd be willing to pay at least between $300 to $400 to pay for this mask with its self-cooling features. So that's why we also see welding as a potential market for us as well. So on markets, the market that we see that this mask currently fits in is a powered air purifying respirator mask market, otherwise known as the paper market. This market is expected to grow by 7% from 2016 to 2024, and giving us about a $1 billion target market to strive for, to target. So the markets that we're currently trying to look into are farming, welding, and chemistry. And these are the markets that we think will be attractive to our respirator mask.
So ultimately, for all the farmers, chemists, or anyone else out there that's wearing respirator masks, we know that you're doing it to protect your health, and it's uncomfortable while you're having to wear these masks. We understand that. 3M and Trend are a couple of companies out there providing solutions, but we're here to provide a respirator that it covers everything. It creates cooling and communication for you to help you with your workday. So please help us build a prototype to launch our respirator mask into the market. Thank you.